tell me a story about a unicorn and a robot.
A robot was all alone in a robot house. He didn't have no princesses. He wanted to take a princess from a king, and that wasn't nice. It was bad. So the robot went to the princess' house, and he said he wanted to put salt on her and seaweed on her and ketchup on her. The robot wanted to eat the princess.
No.
The big monster came wanted to eat the robot. So he went to save the princess. And then the robot came so fast. He didn't eat his lunch. So he went out and ate his lunch and he ran out. But sometimes he ran out and forgot his net.
But what happened to the princess and the robot?
What about the unicorn?
The unicorn, a big unicorn came to save the princess. But the big unicorn wanted to the big unicorn wanted to eat the robot. But the big unicorn wanted to eat the robot. So she ate the robot and saved the princess. But sometimes speak a man sound like Spanish. Thank you, you're big unicorn. You're welcome. You're welcome, my grandma. And she sounds like this, or grandma. But sometimes she loses her Spanish song, Spanish talk from the big king. And the big king, the big princess wanted to marry the big unicorn boy. So they lived ever after, but sometimes it lived. The dog was so sad, but he didn't know how to do exercises. The end.